Right. Okay, guys. So if you see here, principal synchronized and mirror synchronized, guys. Sometimes if it is not showing like that, still even though you fixed all the issues, go to the mirroring page again. Guys, in case if it is not okay, in case if it is not working, yes,
ఇక్కడ నుంచి ambiguous
please
ఇచ్చినాం
mute, Subhani. Right. So in case if it is not working, if you see here, guys, just check here. Okay. So if it is showing like this, suspended kind of thing, okay, if it is showing like this, try to fix the issue first by checking the error log and all. If it is still not coming to the synchronized state, what you have to do, go to the mirroring, okay, window, go to your database properties, go to the mirroring page. If you see here, actually mirroring is not running, guys. Okay, you can see here mirroring is not running. If mirroring is running, failover option will be enabled. Okay, failover option will be enabled. Failover is not enabled means mirroring is not running. Try to resume the mirroring, guys. Just resume the mirroring. It was stopped actually. Resume the mirroring again. Okay, we'll fix the issue, guys. Click OK. Now try to refresh this. Now it is showing suspended, right? Refresh it, synchronized state. Okay, and refresh it, synchronized state. You will get, guys. So this is how you have to troubleshoot the issue. Is it clear? Anyone adding files in the mirroring server? Done? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. Okay, that's it from mirroring side, guys. So let's jump into the one more beautiful topic called replication. Okay, so listen carefully, guys. Replication is somewhat complicated topic. Listen carefully. Okay, so I'll try to explain the theory today. Tomorrow we'll go for the demo. Right. Right. Okay. So listen carefully, guys. Your replication, your database, your log shipping is which level of DR feature, guys?
Database
and
Database.
mirroring. Your log shipping and mirroring both are database level, right? Means if something happened to the database, the same database from another service is going to take care of it. Your replication is object level feature, guys. Your replication is an object level. Object means what?
Tables.
Object means tables. Object means stored procedures.
Stored procedure views.
Okay, views, everything is an object on in the SQL server. So replication is a table level feature, guys. I have 2 terabytes of database, very huge database. Okay, so but I don't want to use all the data, okay, in the database. I don't want standby for all the data in that particular database. I want to use some part of the data, or I want to use only some tables. I need standby for only some specific tables. For that, again, if I configure log shipping or mirroring, it might slow. The data you are getting like can be slow from your principal to subscribe. I'm sorry, principal to mirror server. Okay, and the challenges with the log shipping and mirroring, guys. What are the challenges with the log shipping and mirroring? Basic main challenges. Always the secondary is not accessible, guys. Okay, unless in the log shipping, if you configured, okay, standby state log shipping, otherwise your log shipping secondary database you cannot access, right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Your mirroring secondary database you cannot access, right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So, but in the replication, you can overcome these challenges, guys. You can read and you can write data, okay, in the replication secondary side. Okay, in the replication, we'll call the servers as publisher. Okay, publisher. And what is the publisher IP address, guys?
10.10.1, sir.
Please. 10.10.1. And your subscriber. Who is subscriber, guys? 10.10.10.
Secondary, sir.
No, normally in the casual
Okay.
meaning, what
Okay.
is meant by meaning of subscription or subscriber?
Who wants services from application?
Correct. Very good. Okay. Service. Who wants to service? It's an excellent word. Who wants to service? Who is looking for service? Who is subscribed for service? You are a subscriber for Tata Sky. Agree? You are a subscriber for Jio. You are a subscriber for Airtel. Agree, guys? If you are using any newspapers, you are a subscriber for that newspaper. You are using Hindu newspaper, The Hindu. You are the subscriber for The Hindu newspaper. You are a subscriber for any other newspapers. You are using you are having a reading newspaper. Okay, you are using a Inadu or Sakshi. You are the subscriber for that particular newspaper. If you are using any services, you can be the subscriber. Okay, very good. Okay, chalo. So what is the main advantage with the replication, guys? First advantage is it's a object level feature. I don't want to configure the whole setup on the database, on the whole database. I want only 5 to 10 tables, or I want only one table. For one table, why I have to configure the H and DR features on the whole database? What is the need? Chalo, configured. That's it. Fine. Okay. But the secondary is not readable, right? I cannot access the data from the secondary. My requirement is I want to access the data from the secondary, but the secondary is not accessible. How can we fix this issue? In such situation, go for replication. Replication will be immediately synchronized option, first thing. Second thing is, okay, you can read the data from the secondary database and you can write the data also. In the log shipping, writing from secondary is not possible, but in the replication, you can read the data from the secondary. You can write the data from the secondary, guys. Is it clear? Any issues, any doubts?
Yes, sir. For same server, different databases can have different HA and DR concept.
Yes, correct. In the same server, this is my server, right? So now you can see here in the same server, node 1, I have configured log shipping for one database. I have configured mirroring for another database, right? Right? This database is configured with log shipping. This database is configured with mirroring. Another database with the replication. No problem. You can go for it. Same server, you can have multiple HADRs.
Yes.
Okay. Right? Done. So let's go to the setup again. Guys, replication will work based on the agents, guys. Agents will be there. I'll explain. So how many of you are having any one of you like is going to read newspapers, guys? Habit
sir,
of reading newspapers. How many of you are going to read the newspapers? Or earlier you read the newspaper? Tell me, guys. Just raise your hands. I hope at least, if not newspaper, at least you are going to read the some books and all, right? Books,
Yes, sir.
magazines, Sunday magazines, right? So please raise your hands, guys. I hope, okay, 20 to 25 people, at least they will have a habit of reading newspapers or books or magazines, Sunday magazines, or Sudoku. Sudoku, you are going to get it right. Padavinodam, right? Right? How many of you are going to play Padavinodam, guys? Sudoku, at least Sudoku.
Yes, sir. Sudoku.
Yes, sir.
Sudoku. Who is that intelligent girl? That's Sudoku. I'm very poor in Sudoku, guys. My wife she will do it in a quick fraction of seconds. I can't. I'm very poor. Okay. Good. Right. So I'll treat those who can crack that Sudokus are very intelligent. I'll treat like that only. Yeah.
Oh, no, sir.
Yeah.
In
Okay.
that also we're
So
having a lot of logic, sir.
yeah, correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So guys, your replication setup will work, okay, as per this newspaper network only, guys. Okay, newspaper, this at least forget about newspaper, guys. At least you people are having a habit of using milk, right? Milk, how it will come, guys? Usually if you are having a habit of taking milk packets and all, how it will come? Okay, there is a centralized milk bulk what is that, milk center will be there. Okay, from that particular parlor or milk center, the milk packets are going to be distributed to the main points of the city. Agree? It will be distributed to the main points of the city. So if you subscribe daily, people will come, that milk boy will come and they are going to give you the milk packets. Or else if you have like having a habit of go to the milk packet and collect the milk packets, and all morning you will go by for walking and you will take the milk packets and you will come back, right? Same guys. Your replication also will work the same. Okay, and your newspaper network, the best example, the perfect example for how replication is going to work is newspaper, guys. Newspaper, if you know how it is going to work, okay, so you will get a good idea, guys. So
Hub and spoke model.
yes, correct. Okay, so newspaper, for example, the Hindu is there. The Hindu wants to distribute the newspaper. So the Hindu management won't come to the cities or towns to distribute the newspapers, right? Agree? Who will be there to distribute the newspapers, guys?
Distributor.
Very good. Distributor will be there, right? So always whatever the Hindu newspaper, it will collect the data, it will collect the news. Okay, from early morning 2 o'clock to night 12 o'clock, it will collect the news. Okay, and it will write in a good way, that it is going to present in a good way in the newspaper. Means it is going to publish the newspaper, right? Once the news items or news articles are collected, it is going to publish that particular newspaper. Agree? Right? That is called publication. Remember that word, publication. Publication means what, guys? What is meant by publication? What it will be there in the publication?
Publish to anything. Publish to
Printing
the
data
Publication
and
contains
printing.
publication contains news articles. Agree? Agree, right? One article or two articles or 20 articles or 100 articles, whatever it might be, small article, big article, anything. Publication means collection of articles. I can call it as a publication is nothing but a collection of articles. Publisher, who is going to create the publication, guys? Your publisher only, right? Publisher publishes the publication. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Publisher is going to publishes the publication. Publication contains
News data.
articles, right? In the replication also we'll call tables as articles, guys. We don't call tables as tables. We'll call tables as articles, guys. Okay. In the replication, we'll call tables as articles. We don't call tables as tables, guys. This is my sales table. Okay. If I want to configure replication on the sales table, the same table will be existed here on your particular subscriber server, guys. The same table will be existed. Means table level. You know the beauty of the replication, I'll tell you while configuring. As of now, that is a table level, guys. As of now, treat it that is a table level option feature. Okay, right. So what publisher will do? Publisher publishes the publication. Publication contains articles. In the publication, you might have sales article, you might have employee article, you might have students article, whatever it might be. In the publication, you might have multiple articles, guys. Okay, agree. Always remember one thing. your publisher don't directly communicate with the subscriber, guys. Okay, if you have any issue with your newspaper, to whom you are going to ask, directly go to the Hindu network, or you will check with your distributor or your paper boy. You are not getting the paper, you will directly call to the Hindu office, say Hindu office, I am not getting the paper. Right? To whom you are going to check, guys, if you are not getting the paper?
Distributor, sir.
Distributor only. Why? Because you are paying money to the distributor. Even if you call to the Hindu management, of course they will note down your query. They will go for inquiry and all. Okay, that is different thing. But the thing is, you cannot check with the Hindu management. Distributor is responsible. So you will directly ask your particular distributor. Means your publisher also. Yeah, then your distributor will be communicate with the publisher. Hey, publisher, I'm getting one paper less, so I'm unable to deliver that paper to my customer. She's asking me where is the paper and all. The distributor will communicate with the publisher. Okay, so always there is no direct communication is there between your publisher and subscriber. Always your publisher will be communicated with your distributor. Your distributor will be communicated with the publisher, guys. Your distributor will be communicate with the publisher. At the same time, the customer is also going to communicate with the distributor only. Okay, you are not going to communicate with the publisher directly. So if you have any issues, okay, subscriber is having any issues, subscriber will contact the distributor. Hey, distributor, I am not getting the newspaper since 3 days. What happened? Distributor will check how many papers he is getting. Distributor found out there is one paper getting. There is one paper is not getting. Okay, out of 30 copies, 29 copies only he is getting. Then he will check with the publisher. Hey, publisher, I am getting only 29 copies. Right? So there is no direct communication between publisher and subscriber, guys. Okay, your subscriber will communicate with the distributor will communicate with the publisher. In the same way, data also won't go directly from publisher to subscriber. You won't get directly your newspaper directly from the Hindu network, right? Management, right? The Hindu, the print house is going to print the newspaper by early morning, 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. The papers will be ready. Then by 4 o'clock, they are going to transfer. They are going to ship all the newspapers bundles to the different towns, different cities, and all. By 5 o'clock, all the newspapers will reach its own locations. Okay, it will reach its own distributors and all. Then at the distributor side, distributor won't come early in the morning, right? Sometimes he will come. Sometimes on behalf of distributor, paper boys will be there. Paper boys will collect the papers and they are going to separate it. Okay, these 10 papers for this street, these 20 papers for this street. So like that, every street, different paper boys will be there. They will collect their street papers and they will go for either by bicycle or by bike. They will go and they will distribute the papers by early morning, 6 o'clock or 6:30. The same way your replication will work, guys. Data won't be sent directly to the subscriber. Data will be sent towards your distributor. Data will be sent to the distributor. Distributor will send the data to the subscriber, guys. This is the main logic behind your replication. Same as it is newspaper terminology, only you can find it in the replication setup. The terminology is also same as newspaper. Articles, okay, we will call tables as articles in the replication. I don't know whether this those who invented this replication, might be he has an experience. Okay, might be he's a paper boy, or might be he has his own publication agency. I don't know. But as it is, I don't know why they were impressed. Microsoft is impressed with that network. Okay, as it is, the terminologies and all you can see same like a printing agency terminology and all. The data also won't go to the subscriber directly from the publisher, guys. Okay, it will go to the distributor. From distributor side, is going to transfer to the subscriber side. And I told you, right, agents will be there, right? So agents are responsible, guys. Here, like how paper boys are responsible to deliver the newspapers, in the same way, in the agent, you can call it as a agent, newspaper agent, right? The real time also will call him as an agent only. Okay, so here also we'll have agent, guys. Replication will run based on the agents only. Okay, so what and all agents will be there? What are their roles? We'll discuss, guys. Guys, is it clear? Any issues, any doubts? Please let me know.
Yes.
Everyone, is it clear, guys? I didn't explain anything about the replication. I'm explaining about the newspaper network, guys. That's it. Okay. Any issues, any doubts here? Please let me know, please. If you have any doubts, please ask me. I will proceed like that. Everyone is fine, guys? Guys, are you in sync with me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay, done. Okay. So right. So listen carefully, guys. Like log shipping kind of thing here, it will work. So what and all agents will be there in the interview question also they will ask what agents will be there. Okay. So main agent is snapshot agent. Main agent is snapshot agent, guys. In the replication, this is main agent. Okay. Then you will have your log read agent. Okay. Second one is log reader agent. Third one is distributor agent. Okay, so different agents, merge agent. Forget about this. Okay, agents as of now. We'll discuss main agents, guys. Okay, so main means your snapshot agent and distributor agent. These two agents, log reader agent and merge agent, will be used in different types of publications. We have different types of publications, guys. So what are those different types of publication? Can anyone tell me?
4 type: merge, peer to peer,
Hmm.
transaction, replication.
Very good. Guys, types of publication or types of replication, both are same, guys. Okay, types of publication or types of replication. Snapshot replication or snapshot publication. Second one is transactional replication or transactional publication. Okay, and third one is merge replication. Okay, and fourth one is peer-to-peer replication or peer-to-peer publication, guys. Okay, these are the different types of publications. Okay, so these are the different types of publications, guys. These are the different types of agent. Okay, chalo, listen carefully. So in the log shipping, we have a shared folder, right? We'll create a shared folder to keep the backups, right? So in the
Yes, sir.
replication also, we will have a shared folder, guys. Automatically this folder, but we don't create this shared folder, guys. Okay, whenever you install SQL Server, there will be one folder created automatically. Okay, in your C program files, guys. If you don't believe me, go to your server, go to your C program files. Okay, so here you can check one folder called Ripple Data.
Replication data.
This one,
Ripple
guys.
data.
Okay,
Yes.
Ripple Data. As of now, if you see, you don't see anything under this Ripple Data, guys. Empty folder. As of now, it is empty. Why? Because I haven't created any replication. That's why it is empty. Once I just created the replication, you can see the status. Okay, right. Chalo. Right. So now let's go to this setup. Okay. So your snapshot agent is responsible. Your snapshot agent is responsible for taking the snapshot of the article, and it will keep it inside in this Ripple Data folder. This is your snapshot agent. Okay, this is your snapshot agent, guys. Snapshot agent, AGT. Okay, this is your snapshot agent. What it will do, guys? On which table you want to configure the replication? Okay, on which table you want to configure the replication? So on the table, this particular snapshot agent, okay, it will take the snapshot of that particular article, okay, and it will keep it inside in your shared location. Okay, done. Okay, so your snapshot agent, what it will do, guys? Your snapshot agent will take the snapshot. Snapshot means what? It's just a backup, guys. Snapshot means it's just a backup. Okay, don't think snapshot is a different thing. Snap means what? You will call it as a snap, right? Snap means what? It's just a backup. Okay, so your snapshot agent, always your snapshot agent work is on which table you are configuring the replication. On the table, that particular table, it will take the backup of this table and it will keep it inside in the Ripple Data folder. Let me name it as a Ripple Data, REPLDATA, Ripple Data folder, guys. Okay, this is my Ripple Data folder. Okay, so what is your snapshot agent will do, guys? it will take the backup of your particular snapshot agent. I just want to configure replication on the sales database. Your snapshot agent, once you configure the replication on the sales table, it will take the backup of sales table and it will keep it inside in your repl data folder, guys. There is one more agent, okay, called distributor agent, guys. Distributor agent will found at distributor side, right? Distributor side, right? Listen carefully. This is your the Hindu newspaper. On behalf of the Hindu owner won't come early morning 2 o'clock. He just won't print the paper, right? On behalf of the Hindu management, employees will work. That agents will work. Agent is going to print the paper, and they will transfer that paper to the main points, pickup points locations. They will transfer the data to the pickup points locations. Then once their duty is completed, distributor agents will come, guys. Those who are working from distributor agents will come. They will collect the newspaper, right? So they are going to collect the newspaper, guys. They will collect the newspaper from the pickup points. Okay, from this location, they are going to collect the newspaper. Done. So this is your which agent, guys? This is your distributor agent. Okay, dist agent. Dist means distributor agent. This is my distributor agent. Let me keep it here. Okay, done. Okay, so this is your distributor agent. Your distributor agent will collect the newspaper from the pickup point, and what it will do, guys? Those agents, those paper boys,
Will distribute.
they will distribute. That's it. Very good. They will distribute the newspapers, guys, to each subscriber. Who will be the subscriber, guys? If you subscribed for a newspaper, you can become a subscriber. Those who are subscribed for the newspaper, all are subscribers, guys. If I subscribed for the Hindu newspaper, okay, so I'm going to get newspaper from the distributor agent, and distributor agent is going to deliver the newspaper to me. Okay, guys. So in this also there are two ways of subscriptions, guys. There are two ways of subscription, guys. You people I'm having a reading newspaper habit daily, guys. Daily I use it to read newspaper at any point of time. Okay, daily I'll read the newspaper, either at least, okay, if physical copy is not present, I'll read the e-paper, guys, at any time. Okay, at least before sleeping I'll read it. Just want to check the current affairs and all. Okay, so there are two ways I can read the newspaper in two ways. One is, guys, I'll directly get the newspaper directly to my home, right? Agree? That is one kind of subscription. I can opt for two types of subscriptions. One is I can go for a subscription so that the distributor agent will directly deliver the paper to me daily early morning. Okay, that is one subscription. What is the other way, guys?
I will go to library.
Very good, excellent, super. Now people are saying, sir, I don't want to subscribe from my side. Okay, I will go to library, I will read the newspaper there. That is another way. Or else you are not regularly going to read the newspaper. Okay, occasionally you are going to read the newspaper, right? If you want to read the newspaper occasionally, what you are going to do, guys?
Magazines.
If you want to read the newspaper, what you are going to do? Occasionally, not regularly. Occasionally you want to read the newspaper. Means you will go to outside, you will go to any kirana shop and you will buy the newspaper, right?
Yes,
Any pawn shop, you will buy the newspaper. Means if you want to read it occasionally, directly you will go. Earlier in the childhood, I used it to, in case if India won the match and all, I used it to read E-Nadu newspaper. Very interesting. Why? Because their technical writing and all very good. They are going to praise the words they are using is excellent words. Okay, I want to read the newspaper. If India won the match, I want in those cases only I want to read the newspaper. So what I have to do? I have to go to either library or I have to go to any pawn shop and I have to take the newspaper. I have to buy the newspaper. That is one way of subscription. Okay, in the same way, we have two subscriptions in the replication, guys. One is push subscription, push. Second one is pull subscription. Okay, push and pull. Push means even though you want it, you don't want it, once you are opted for that service, that paper boy will come and he is going to push the newspaper at your door, or sometimes on your face he is going to push it. Agree?
Yes,
Right?
sir.
He is going to push
Yes,
it.
sir.
Once you opted the service, I want a newspaper every day. Once you opted this service, directly that paper boy, that agent will come and he will push the newspaper. That is called push. Means you will directly get the newspaper to your home. That is called push. Even though wantedly, like you want it or you don't want it, you are not reading also, again tomorrow morning you will get the newspaper. Okay. Pull means whenever you need, you will go to the outside, you will buy the newspaper, guys. So what are the challenges? Which one is good, guys? Push is good or pull is good? Tell me.
Depending on needs, sir.
Performance wise, which one is good?
Push.
Push is good. There are a lot of challenges with pull, guys. Tell me one challenge.
Latency.
Latency, very good. Just common challenge with the newspaper. Forget about data. Common challenge, guys. If I go to the if I am not opted for the push service, but I want to read the newspaper at any cost, I have to go outside and I have to buy the newspaper. There are a lot of challenges. Might be that newspaper won't be there. Agree?
Yes.
That shop
Yes,
is closed. Agree? So lot of challenges are there. Or even though the shop is open, that newspaper is not there. Different newspaper is there, but I am not interested. But these kind of challenges means latency. You can call it as a latency. Whereas in the push, early morning 6 o'clock, you are going to get the newspaper. Whereas in the pull, maybe at 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock, whenever you are free, you will go and you will collect the newspaper. It might be there, it might not be there. Performance issues. So in the push subscription, okay, the performance is good, guys. Distributor keep on sending the transactions towards your subscriber side. Whereas in the pull subscription, the same agent will be there. Either you can go for push or pull. So if it is push, if it is push, guys, your distributor agent will be there at a distributor server. Okay. If it is pull, the same distributor agent will be there at a subscriber side, guys. The same distributor agent will be there at subscriber side, and he is going to pull the data from the distributor server, guys. If it is pull, okay, the same distributor will be there at subscriber side, and he is going to pull the data. Okay, so this is pull, right? Pull. Okay, so guys, listen carefully. If it is push, your distributor agent will be there at distributor side. If it is pull, your distributor agent will be there at subscriber side. Okay, only at one place he will be there, guys. Don't think both places he will be there. Okay, either it should be a push or pull. Both it can't. You are getting, please mute it, please mute it, please mute it, please mute it.
చెల్లెలికి వాళ్ళ అల్లుడు బాగా బుడ్డ షాప్ అని వాడు 2 మంత్రాలు చదివిన లెక్కలు సంపాదిస్తున్నాడు
నరేంద్ర?
హైదరాబాద్ లో. అంతా వాడే లెక్కిచ్చేది అన్ని చేసుకొని పోయేది.
Okay, so done, guys. Okay, so I just opted for the newspaper, and again daily can I go to the pawn shop and take the newspaper? Daily I'm getting the newspaper, and again can I go to the newspaper? Can I go outside to buy the newspaper daily? Is it possible? Both is possible. Both is possible, guys.
No need, sir.
No need. Why? I'm getting the newspaper daily. Go for a push or go for a pull. Why push and pull? So either you can choose push subscription or pull subscription, guys. This is how your replication will work. That's it. Whenever any transaction comes, okay, there are two ways, guys. Again, here also, only transactions will be in the snapshot replication. Okay, we have snapshot publication, right? Snapshot publication or snapshot replication. There is a challenges with the snapshot. The concept is same. Okay, what is the challenge with the snapshot? Every time it will take the snapshot of the article, guys. Subhani, what happened? Why you are pinging Sampath?
He sent the message to me. Hi,
Message.
hi.
Yes, yes.
Okay,
I
okay,
reply him.
okay, done, no problem. Okay,
Ah.
so yeah, right. So here in the snapshot publication, okay, so whenever any new transaction comes, Even though one transaction comes or one transaction is deleted, one record is deleted. Okay. So every time it will take the backup of whole table, whole article, and it will keep it inside in your REPL data folder. Okay. And your distributor agent will take that article and it will apply the whole article again on the subscriber side, guys. That is the disadvantage with the snapshot replication. Okay. Means even though there are changes, there are no changes on the publisher side. Regularly we'll schedule this agent. I want to run every Sunday. Every Sunday I will schedule this agent. Every Sunday this snapshot agent will take the backup of this article. It will keep it inside in your REPL data folder. Your distributor agent will take that new article. Whether changes are there or not there, it doesn't mind. Okay, it don't mind whether changes are there or not there. Every Sunday it will take the backup of the sales table and it will keep it inside in your location, a shared location. Your distributor agent will take the backup of this article and it will drop the existing table. It will recreate the new table. Got it, guys? That is the disadvantage with the snapshot replication. Means while dropping, of course, it won't be accessible for the users, right? If the table is dropped. Agree?
Yes.
Agree, guys? So that is the disadvantage of the snapshot replication. Tomorrow again we'll discuss each replication, snapshot, transactional merge. Peer-to-peer we don't use. Peer-to-peer I'm not going to discuss. If you want, I'll give you one video. So no one is using peer-to-peer, guys. It's a little bit complicated, not complicated setup first of all. Okay, somewhat a complicated setup, but again, no one is using peer-to-peer. You can check it. If you still need, I can share you the video, guys. Okay, we'll discuss these 3 replications tomorrow. How snapshot will work, how the data will be transferred and all. Any questions, let me know, showing 1 minute. If not, okay, you can ping me in the WhatsApp. Okay, and again tomorrow we'll meet at 7 AM. Any questions? Please let me know. Otherwise, if you have any questions, please ping me in the WhatsApp. Otherwise, if you want me to open the meeting link again, I'll open the meeting link again. Tell me, guys. No questions? Are we good to close? Chalo,
Yes,
okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then
Yes,
tomorrow
sir.
we'll meet at 7 AM. Huh? Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.